Good morning, my name is Stanley Maltz, and I'm doing a presentation on the processing of fruit for plantation. Basically, the fruits that we're going to be working with are going to be oranges, right? So what we do basically is to ensure that oranges are handled cleanly. I've already washed my hands with the sanitizer to ensure that we do not actually have bacteria on my hands. And then I've brought the oranges, okay. And then we've also added this disinfectant into the water so that we can wash the fruits that we have to ensure that we do not have any microorganisms or bacteria that is on the fruit. And then we place it in another clean place. You should also ensure that your clothing that you actually have as well is sanitized and clean so that the fruit at the end of the day will be presentable to the market. Right. I actually had an opportunity to actually go and see where these were processed, but unfortunately it wasn't the farms in Mankura. In where there's actually a plantation of oranges. These oranges actually go through the whole process where they are picked from the plantations and then brought to the processing zone. They are brought on these trailers, and then after they're dumped into a water sanitizing station first and foremost. That sanitizing station is where they'll be bubbling through water. They'll agitate the water so that all the dirt is shaken off from the oranges. And once it is moved from there, it comes onto conveyor belts where they actually they spray water on them as well to actually remove the additional debris that may have been left. And once they are there, the next stage that they go to the conveyor is where they are blown with air, that is to remove all the water that is there. And then the next stage that they actually went through is the stage where they are actually waxed. They apply a waxy product, a brownish wax that actually gives the orange a shine. And then once they've moved from there on, the next stage that is the grading of the sizes. This is done by a machine. I think it was a Brown Engineering processing plant that was used there. It actually separates these according to the different sizes that they actually want, right? So at each of the stations where they have about 6 different sizes that they need, and at each of the single stations, that's where somebody who's actually picking the fruit from there. So they take this colored or disfigured or with spots and things, then they actually throw these away, and then they are left with the variety, with the condition of oranges that they actually want. And then they pack these into these sacks. Roughly the small ones, they said they're something like about 60, and the largest ones I noticed they're about 45, 40 in a particular orange. This is a standard size orange that they use. And in terms of storage, there's no real thing that I noticed, like in terms of temperature control or keeping them cold. They were just placed in the sacks on pallets that were actually ready to be delivered. So I think one of the things that I noticed was just straight from the plant. Within a day of picking, these things can actually be going to market for sale. Okay, thank you very much.